Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today is Christmas and I want to give you a great gift. I've been doing this a long time. I've been doing this for, by the way, this is pre-recorded. I wouldn't do this on Christmas, just so you know. So you get to select the day. So this is going to be the day because I want to just tell you it's just something you need to know. I've worked thousands of cases. I have a team just dedicated to IRS resolution. I took the best former IRS agents, put them together, and we rock. It's that simple. I've been on all the major stations. I've had a huge Facebook following. I know IRS inside and out. Like I said, I was a teaching instructor. So here's what I need to tell you today. Very important. When do you need IRS representation? It's important you understand this. There's a very simple guideline that I go by. I get all kinds of calls. People have money, don't have money. I get all sorts of situations. I have people that are in criminal trouble, civil trouble, and they call me for advice. I answer all my calls. I don't let anybody else take the calls because I know what I need to do. If I want the case, I take the case. If I don't, I don't. Here's how you know if you go through an IRS audit or you're having a revenue officer or anything happens. It's as simple. Here it is. If you know in your own heart, your gut, that you could have a problem, that's when you call somebody. A lot of people have simple problems and they can call IRS themselves, and it's not a big deal. People don't owe a lot of money. They're in hardship. It's okay to call IRS. It's not boo and be scared, but to the person who gets that letter and know if IRS digs deep and digs and stuff and does that and that, IRS can kind of have their way with them. What IRS does when they work a case, they tell you initially what they want, but then they go in with this flashlight and start looking all around, and then boom, it happens. So here's the rule. If you have a sickening feeling in your stomach, in your gut, you shouldn't represent yourself because there's something there on an IRS debt problem or an audit problem or whatever. It's time to call someone. So the question is, who do you call? People pick companies because they're on Google. This company, there's people that spend $250,000 a month on ads all over the country. They go into the 14 or 15 markets there are, and you see them ad, your first four on Google. Those companies are usually the mistake companies. You don't usually want to call them. They're doing advertising. The salesmen make a lot of money. The people actually doing the work only make about 5% because the company takes their share, the salesperson takes their share, and the person doing the work just has an inventory of maybe 100 clients, and they're just supposed to push those cases through. They're not usually really experienced people. They make their inroads into the resolution by working for a big company. If you were really good, you wouldn't work for a company, you'd have your own business. Anyway, I'm trying to help you make a decision on that. So remember, if it's an easy problem, take it yourself. If it's not, the great gift is today on Christmas is call somebody and look around, check for prices. But if you're going to hire somebody, make sure it's an attorney, CPA, or enrolled agent. Why? Those are the only people that can represent you. If you need me, go ahead and give me a call. We have a great team of people. Give me a subscription today. I have a bunch of videos to help you. I think about 2,500 of those. Anyway, my gift to you today is let your gut and your gut feelings tell you what you need to do. Thank you and Merry Christmas.